Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Tuesday, September 24th. Asian shares slipped on Tuesday when a lack of economic data caused investors to focus more on monetary policy. New York Fed President William Dudley commented that the Federal Reserve's timeline for the taper is still in place. However, the bank would like to see more of an improvement in the country's labor market before moving forward. Apple announced that its quarterly sales and profit margin will likely exceed projections after it sold 9 million phones last weekend at the debut of the iPhone 5C and 5S. The Chinese government announced that social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter will be allowed in Shanghai's free trade zone when it's launched on September 29th. Fairfax Financial Holdings inked a preliminary deal with BlackBerry, which will allow Fairfax to purchase 90% of BlackBerry's shares at $9 a share. After last month's Goldman Sachs computer glitch, the New York Stock Exchange, together with the SEC, is working to amend the rules in order to mitigate losses from computer glitches. A new proposal will adjust mistaken trades rather than completely canceling them. Asian markets were down across the board on Tuesday. The Hang Seng Index was down 0.75%. China's Shanghai Composite was down by 0.61%, and the Shenzhen Composite was down by 0.19%. Indonesia's JSX Composite had the largest losses, down 1.79%. European markets were on the upswing. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.24%. The Eurozone Stock 600 was up by 0.26%. France's CAC 40 was up 0.50%, and the German DAX was up by 0.39%. In commodity markets, Brent futures were up by 0.06%, and WTI futures were down by 0.03%. Gold lost 0.36%, and silver was down 0.95%. Industrial metals were mixed, with copper down 0.85%, but aluminum was up 0.97%. In currency markets, the euro gained 0.10% against the dollar, but the pound lost 0.08% against the greenback. The yen weakened by 0.38% against the dollar, and the Australian dollar was down by 0.21% against the dollar. In pre-market trade, Bank of America gained 0.07% after a losing streak took the stock down 2.82% over the past 5 days. Red Hat lost almost 8% in pre-market trade, was down 7.99% after the company released a better-than-expected earnings report on Monday. Tuesday's economic calendar includes the German Business Climate Index, Canadian retail sales, U.S. consumer confidence, Italian trade balance, and British mortgage approvals. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, wishing all of you good luck on your Tuesday trades.